Hello guys, today in this video I will show you how to make a desktop on Android phone. Yes, you can make desktop XP, Windows 10, Windows 8, etc. Very simple and very easy. So let's start. Before start, you download all the stuff. I give the link if you will ask me. So firstly go to Google and Play Store. Download there one software. Name of this software I will show you. I have already before Limbo. So this is the software Limbo. Download this software application and make OK. So this is the Limbo first page, and you need before start this Limbo application in your phone, you download one image file. I give the link in YouTube this video description. So let's start. What we will do, firstly go to load machine, okay, and make the new, write the name like as you like, you make the name. I am writing the XP. This is the first thing. And second, let everything default. One thing change, CPU model. CPU model, so you make the CPU model KEMU32. And storage, so make the first hard disk A and open here. And I have the already one image XP, and you download firstly and copy and paste in Limbo software in your mobile. So this is XP IMG. I will upload here. One thing more, change the RAM. So here we will make the RAM is the 512, and here make the change and let it VGA display. So this is the correct STD. If there is the not STD, so make the STD VGA display. Let every setting default. Now change here user interface. So UNC, you change the SDL. One thing, another orientation, so make the landscape and full screen. So this is the setting for converting the window on Android mobile. Now go to place here. It's getting the sometimes 5-10 minutes. So everything let him, and window will start normally after some times. So thanks, subscribe my channel, and if you have any query, comment, so make the comment.